Well, hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Alright, sorry Mama couldn't come to the field today, and so it's just me. We're going to fly the FlyFans L-39 Black Diamond, and we're going to fly her in a 4S this time, a 4500 Sokokin. Pushed a little bit more forward than I normally put the 6S in there, but she seemed to CG pretty level, and we're going to see how she does on the 4S. Kind of windy today. Wind is out of the east, so, but hopefully I got enough power with this 4S to get her out of trouble. You're supposed to be able to fly them on 4S, so I'm going to put it to the test. Let me restart my timer. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. All right. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, here we go. It's definitely struggling. It's flying, but barely.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah, I'm not crazy about it. Yeah. Yeah. All right, she was just kind of dug in, so I didn't want to push it. And I had her in manual mode. I didn't have the AS3X, the gyro engaged. So let's try it again with the gyro engaged to see if she doesn't react a little bit better than the wind. I mean, she flew okay. I definitely felt like she didn't have enough power, because power gets you out of trouble. So I'm getting my designated spot for filming with my hat cam. All right, we'll put some takeoff flaps to try to get her to rotate a little bit faster here.
Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Flying okay, but I'm having to keep her full bore.
Gear down.
I just mainly wanted to see if it was possible. And it is possible. Just not recommended. I think I will use flaps to land her.
Landing flaps.
Yeah. Very windy. Yeah, I gotta tell you, I felt like the entire time like she was just gonna fall out of the sky. All right.
Flaps up.
Yeah, I felt like the whole time she was just gonna absolutely fall out of the sky. So I don't think I'll be doing that again, but at least I know it's possible. And some people have asked me if I've ever tried flying her on 4S, and I'm like, well, no, I don't know if she'd have enough power to get out of Dodge. All right, it's a good looking plane, that is for sure. Like Like I said, I got the AS3X. Now, just so y'all know, with this AS3X Plus and all that, I know you can set priorities. Tell the AS3X to favor or prioritize ailerons over elevator, or elevator over ailerons, or, you know, set everything into your ailerons and your elevators, not too worried too much about your rudder or whatever. I don't do that. I do it whatever this default, whatever ends up as default, and then I make my gains adjustable, and I assign them to my roller here. And I know that's a different situation, but I like to be able to change my gains based upon the conditions of the day. Now today it's very, very windy, okay? And I wasn't going to be flying very fast because I was using a 4S. So for that reason, I got the gains turned up a little bit to compensate for the wind and the lack of speed. Now, if it was a calm day, okay, and I had a full 6S in this thing, a hot one, a fast one, then I'd turn them gains almost all the way down or almost off, because I don't want it to oscillate because of the speed. Now I know, you say, well, yeah, you can tune your, I don't want to overcomplicate it. I want to keep it simple as possible. And that's what I do. I just put my gains on my roller and I'm done. I don't set priorities or headings or anything like that. To get your battery report, this is where I put the 4500 4S. Normally where that black line is right there is where the first part of the opening of that battery strap is where I put I think it's a 3300 6S back. But I came a little bit further forward because it's a 4S pack, a little bit lighter. And just to show you the CG, right there, them two black marks right there in the middle of that tape is your CG. And she seemed to CG just pretty well perfectly right there with that 4S in there. So as far as battery report goes, oh gosh, still got 78% left. So this is a very efficient plane. Next thing I might try is actually flying the 4000 6S in her and just see how well she does. And I'm probably going to be very, very happy. I'm just hoping the 6S will fit in there with my canopy. That's the only drawback. The only reason I haven't tried that yet. So, well, anyways, there you go, folks. That is the FlyFans L-39 in the black diamond livery. She's got flaps. I do have a flapped elevator mix in there, just so you're aware. It is for takeoff flaps, which is that right there. That's 50% positive with a 5% down elevator mix.
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps.
And then for landing, it's positive 0% with a 15% down elevator mix, 2-second deployment.
Flaps up.
Okay. Also, I flew in my high rates just now, which are 100% throws, 30% expo, all the way around. All right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. That is the L-39 by FlyFans. It's a 64. You really need to you run her on a 6S. That's what she's rated for. But I have proven that you can fly her on a 4S. I just, like I said, the entire time, my impression was I felt like she's going to fall out of the sky. And in order to maintain a positive forward, positive thrust and a positive momentum, I had to keep her full throttle the entire time. So I think I'll 6S from this point on. Well, folks, thank you for watching. God is good. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then L-39s that you really should run on 6S. Bye, y'all.